With Maths Fact 4, we're looking at numbers that are 10 times bigger than the previous number. So you're adding an extra digit each time. Now it's important to make sure that you know what the numbers are. So let me just go through the numbers. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, billion, trillion. So let's start with 1000. 1 and 3 zeros. There's the decimal point. From there we count 1, 2, 3, and we put a comma there. And that is visually telling us that is 1000. So it's going to be 1000. Let me do another one. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So in my mind, this is my number and the decimal point is there. So all I do, I go 1, 2, 3, comma. So this is my thousands. So I read this as 10,000. Let me do one more. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So I see this number. The decimal point is always there. It's always to the right of the ones or the units column. So all I do is I go 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3. I've not got enough to do another comma. So this is my thousands. So it will be 100,000. So let's move on to a million. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 1 and 6 zeros. I'm just going to show you something. So the decimal point is there. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. So this is my 1000. This you can look at as your millions. So it will be 1 million. And because those are all zeros, it's simply 1 million. So remember, 1 million is 1 followed by 6 zeros. Now I'm going to write the two numbers again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if you can, try to get into this habit. 1, leave a slight gap. 1, 2, 3, leave a slight gap. 1, 2, 3. Now look how much easier it's to read this number. I can see straight away 1, a group of 3, a group of 3. So that will be 1 million. And again, because I know 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. It's much easier to read than this. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. Now sometimes I make this mistake because it's hard to read. Now I'm going to write this number here. We can say that this is 100 or 100 or 100. So sometimes we'll say, just give me 100 please. And sometimes we can say, just give me 100 please. In the same way we can do this. So if somebody asks you how much would you like, you can say 1,000. You can say 1,000. Or you can say 1,000. They all mean the same thing. So this one here is 7,000. Now I want you to know, normally when you go past a million, the next number will be another 3 zeros. So watch this carefully. You have 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. Now I've got another group of 3. 1, 2, 3, comma. So that there is a million. If I add another 3 zeros, it's a billion. And for the next group, if I added another 3 zeros, so let me do that again. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. Now I have to add another 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3, comma. So I know that's 1,000, a million, a billion, And this here will be a trillion. So let me write a number for you. That's 7 digits. So I'm going to space it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the first one is the units column, or the ones column. This is the tens, and this is the hundreds. Now when you move on the other side of this comma, thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands. Now we're moving over another comma, so we end up in the millions. So this number here is 1 million. Now we look at this part, 234,567. Now let's look at this one. So I've got 7 digits. I know it's going to be a million because I've got one group of 3, two groups of 3. So it's 2,432,123. What I'm going to do is leave you with an exercise.